This side, Rupesh Kumar Rajan. Hmm, should I retake the video for a new stylist entry? I guess. Sure. Hello, guys. Let's get to the point. Officers, I'm not here to make a funny video. So, myself, Rupesh Kumar Rajan, started a new channel named Sarkari Ladka. As you have seen, so that's why you are here because I've sent you the link because it's starting, so no one knows about it. And I had a mic, but I don't know where I put it. That's why using this earphone. You are. So, officers, the first lecture. I'm starting with polity because I'm. Wait, let me check my mic if it's recording or not. Okay, it's recording. Fine. So, as I was saying, officers, I'm starting with polity because I feel this subject will make me feel comfortable with this recording. And I was thinking to make it in English language, but I felt in the first 2-3 lectures I must go with English so that I can have the confidence to tell you about what I have studied and I know about polity. So let's start. No waste of time. We are going to study this beautiful subject, polity. So a question will arrive on in our mind that why? So the answer is exams. Number two, and the main, which a lot of people, normal people, will think to defend themselves. To defend themselves. When you feel that you are in a dilemma or you are in a situation where you will need polity, the knowledge of polity, like articles, whatever. I have to write it a little clear to defend. To defend yourself. Just random. Two things about it. What? What? You will going to know. You will be going to know about it later on this video. Start for it as we will discuss it later. Easy? If I'm teaching you, definitely it's easy. How? I'll be teaching you. So this was the nothing. This was nothing. I was just telling you about polity. Let's come to the main thing. And this course is you can whether you are in 11th, 12 doesn't matter. But I'll try to make it at this level. I'll try my best. Whatever knowledge I have, I'll try my best. So we'll be doing the structure. I'm talking about the structure of this course, which I'm gonna take. Like content, which I will give you. You'll make the notes definitely. And live PYQs. The main thing is this live PYQs. We will be discussing live, means I'll be live on YouTube. And I will also attempt the questions with you so that I'll get the legitimacy that, yeah, I'm having something. That's why I'm here to teach you guys. So, if you are studying for some exams, like if you want to be an IAS, so you need some qualities in that. And these qualities will come to you after having the lectures again and again, 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 again. Like if you talk about the first thing is responsibility. I'm writing it in short. The sense of responsibility that you have to attend the lectures. The sense when this particular sense will be developed inside your mind, you will feel that why I'm wasting time over here, not in the lecture or somewhere else. You must be studying somewhere. And this leads to consistency. You need consistency. And having consistency will tell you about getting the most out of anything. I'm writing anything. Like getting the most out of it. If I'm eating something, I must eat with wow. If I'm studying, I must study like wow. So do everything like wow. This is going to be the first lecture. That's why I'm talking about this, so that I can attract your attention. And I guess I did pretty well in attracting you guys. So you should be. Let's come to the point. Polity is going to start right now. This is polity. The word polity. Where did it came from? Of course, not from Mars. Definitely, it came from our own planet. So from where? I'm writing something over here. From here. Greek word polis. You must have heard somewhere policia, right? In any movie. So it means city or state. You'll be knowing about this state, this word state. Not that easy. But can be understood. Not that easy, but can be understood. Look at that. Word polis means city or state. So from here we got this, right? I guess I'm having difficulty while writing it. Maybe I will change my method. I'll write it first, then I'll give my comments about it. But before doing that, let me tell you something. State. State will consist in what? Just imagine your state, like my state Jharkhand. Just thinking what it consists. It consists a number of things. You must be thinking what it consists. So if we will talk about the state, what do you feel about the state? The state must have their own decisions. So decisions mean sovereign. Don't understand. I'm not going to write the whole word. They must be sovereign. They must take decisions by their own. They must have a territory. One state's territory should end at the border. They should have a government and, of course, population. That's state. So now I'm going to change the method so that I can be a little fast. So in many YouTube videos, you must have seen this classification of geographical area. So it's normal. What is a country? What is a state? What is a nation? A country is a geographical term. Geographical term like India. I'm not gonna draw it in a wrong way. So that's why I'm not drawing the map. I'm trying to remember. Let's draw a little Indian map. I'm not good at it, but still trying. I'm not gonna draw Nepal with India right now. That's right. So that should be there because it's under the nautical miles. I will tell you about nautical miles. So what about the nation? It's a sense of unity. In a country, the people feel that they are united by what? By this sense, which is called nation. In state, we call it political system. The first lecture will not be that course specific, it will be in a general one. So a country is a geographical area. A state is a political system. The nation gives us a sense of unity. Let's move to the next one. Politics is an activity in political system which is described in political science subject so that you can know about it. So what are politics, politics, and political science? Politics, let me use the right one. Politics is an activity in a political system which is state. State is a political system which is described in political science, which is a subject. Understood? Politics is an activity which our leaders do. It's an activity. Politics is not bad. Someone says like you are doing politics. Yes, because they are born for their work. They are doing politics. It's an activity in political system. So politics is not bad or good. It's an activity for political system to exist, which is described in political science. Change. Constitution. What is constitution? We all know. I know you officers, you know about it. What is constitution? But in polity, to define constitution, we use R, 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 3R. So it's gonna make it easy for us to understand. The first one is rights. The rights that we are having. The second one, rules. Rules that we are following. Relation. The relation between rules and right. There are some rules that you can't do something like that. But there are some rights that you can't stop me from doing something like that. So that is the relation. So in short, this is constitution. Of course, you know B.R. Ambedkar, sir. You know him. So what is constitution? Constitution is a book. Yes, it's a book. It's a book of rights, relation, and rules. So yeah, done. Or even I'm not going to here to teach you this definitions and stuff. I'm here for the essence. And as you've seen, I've already written this 100% doesn't ask this type of questions. This type of definition questions. We call constitution as the law of the land, the supreme law of the land. Right? The supreme law of the land. types of constitution: written, unwritten. As the word says, written. India. Unwritten, of course, the kings. Written. Nothing more than that. But if it's written, so if it is it rigid or flexible? As if I want to change something in the constitution, because if it's written, so there must be some changes with time. So rigid. Rigid means very difficult to amend the constitution. I'll tell you about what is amend. And flexible. Amending means amending like repeal means nikalna. You have to remove something from the constitution or insert something in the constitution. That is called amending or amendments. So if amending the constitution is difficult, the constitution is called rigid. If amending the constitution is very easy or simple, it's flexible. What about India? The Indian constitution is a mix of this. We always play on the safer side. So that's why we use the mixed one. Some articles can be amended easily, but some you have to go through a very heated road. Next time. Now I'm going to tell you about historical background. So let's start with the articles. Let's start with the articles. I'm not interested in telling you some basic things, so you must read somewhere because I'm getting bubbles in my stomach to start with the real things. Because these things are normal. Students, even 6th class students, will be knowing this because it's over there. Let's start with the articles, which are our main thing. Okay, let's go. Article 1. Okay, let me tell you first that there are 22 parts. There are 22 parts in the Constitution. We are talking about the first part, which consists of 4 articles. We are going to discuss the Article 1. Right? We are going to discuss the Article 1, which states that India and its territories, or you can write Union and its territories because it's written everywhere, but it's the same thing. Union. Union and its territory. You must know about Union. Union is like coming together. But in case of India, it's not coming together. It's decentralization of the powers and separation of the powers and devolution of the powers. You'll get to know about it. Territories, Union territories. In Article 1, we state that so as I've written, India that is Bharat. Yes. India that is Bharat shall be a union of states. Shall be a union of states. And indestructible means no state can secede from our territory. No state can be apart from India. Because their existence is just because of the government over there or because of the constitution. We are giving them the territory. They are not having their own territory. We are giving their territory for the convenience or administrative convenience. So an indestructible union of destructible states. So you might think, Rupesh, you said that a state can't be seceded from India. Yes, destructible means there is a state, Bihar. Earlier it was a big state like this. But in 2000, it broke down. One became Jharkhand. So, state can be divided. But from India, a state cannot go outside. Two states can come together and become one, but they can't go out. So the first article states union and state, India is a union state, and indestructible union of destructible states. That's Article 1. So if we talk about the boundaries of India, it will include the state territory, the union territory, okay, and also the diplomats where they are living in other countries. So this was Article 2. Establishment of new states. Establishment of new states. Sikkim became a state in 36th Amendment. So like establishing a new state, a state from like other country, a state from other country can come to our country. The Article 2 is dealing with, but we can't give a state to another country. We can only come. This is article. Like if we want Pakistan, Pakistan will be added to India to Article 2. Happy? Article 3. Formation of new states. It's going to work within India or change boundary, area, name, If you want to change the state's name, we can change it. If you want to increase the area, we can do it. If you want to alter the borders, we can do it. Article 4. It said that if you want to change or get into effect, take it into effect, Article 2 and 3, we don't need special majority. We can do it with simple majority. If you want to know about special majority is something in which the number of voters for a particular resolution to pass will be special, or there must be criteria. But in simple, just half, 50%. Presently voting. So there must be a quorum for that. So that's Article 4. Easy, done. Article 5. Article 5 is about citizenship. We came into part 2 of the Indian Constitution. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. When we got our Constitution acted, that time the citizenship. Article 6. Person migrated from Pakistan to India. Article 7. Person migrated from India to Pakistan, then subsequently came to India. Done. Article 8. Person residing outside India. Person residing outside India should be called overseas Indians or NRIs. Article 9. Person acquiring other state or foreign state citizenship should not be citizen. Like if I'm an Indian and I got a citizenship of Africa, then I'll have to lose the citizenship of India. Article 10. To continue the citizenship, like I'm having the citizenship, the Parliament has the right to regulate the citizenship or can terminate it any time if I do something wrong in national or you can say against the nation. Article 11. Here we have written the legislation or the rules, articles which allows the Parliament to act. Article 10. That's it. Article 12. Let's talk about state. So let's say it's a political system. It can be a private party too. I'm going fast because there's nothing in here. 13. That's important. In 13, laws made inconsistent with or with derogation. So you can say in derogation with fundamental rights should be stated null and void. There are many cases on it, like 1951, Sankari Prasad case. Then we got our 1951 First Amendment. Then we got 1967 Golaknath case. Then we got 1971 24th Amendment. Then we got 1973 Keshavan Bharti case. Then we got 1975 Indira Gandhi versus Raj Narayan. So these are the cases for Article 13. I'll stop till Article 13 and I will let you know about the other articles. You must be thinking I was going too fast, but there's nothing in it. The main thing will come in Article 14, 19 and 21. That's enough for today.